verse from Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Sharagrahi Vaishnava. The flesh is not our own, alas, the mortal frame a chain, the soul confined for former wrongs will try to rise again. So this flesh is not our own, alas. This body is not our body. It's not our own. It's not ours. Rather, this mortal frame, a chain. This mortal frame is a chain with which we are tied down to this material nature. And why soul confined for former wrongs? The soul has become confined, imprisoned in this body for former wrongs. And what is the wrong action? What's the wrongdoing? The wrongdoing is we have given up our link with Krishna, our relationship with Krishna. Therefore, this process begins with the process of thinking. Man-mana bhava. Now, how do we get man-mana bhava? How do we engage our mind in thinking about Krishna? And that is by the process of Shravanam Kirtanam. Krishna, how should we fix our mind on Krishna? We have to know who Krishna is. How can we get to know Krishna? Hear about Krishna. Hear about Krishna from bona fide sources. And Kirtanam, chant the glory of Krishna. First you hear about the glory of Krishna and then you sing the glory of Krishna. And then comes Vishnu Smaranam, remembrance of Krishna. So in this way, a living entity becomes free from the bondage of material. Living entity's cause of material bondage is his forgetfulness of Krishna. Therefore, living entities' freedom from bondage lies in the same root, remembrance of Krishna. We forgot Krishna, Krishna bhuli, forgetting Krishna. Shei jeev anadi bohirmukh, অতএব মায়া তারে দেয় সংসার। So, forgetting Krishna, we got ourselves in this miserable condition arranged by Maya. Now, if we want to get out of this condition, what do we have to do? Remember Krishna. And that's why Srila Rupa Goswami gave a very simple instruction. Always remember Krishna, never forget. That is the spiritual identity. That is the spiritual situation. In the spiritual sky, no one ever forgets Krishna, even for a moment. They constantly remembering Krishna. That's the meaning of Krishna consciousness.